Hey, I'm making this really quick video on how you can make a sales navigator list and make it very, very good very quickly. So yep, I'm gonna get straight to the point on this. All right, so you want to hit the search bar and then I just hit enter. That's all I do. So first thing you want to do is you want to hit second degree and third degree connections. So that's what you want to do. Geography. I like to go on the city level. So let's just say for me it will be Los Angeles. So I'll include Los Angeles. And then what I would do here is so for industries, I don't, depending on what you want, you can choose the industry, but I exclude the industries I don't want. So let's just say marketing. I don't want to do marketing because, I'm a marketing company. I don't want defense. So I don't want defense, and because we don't work with those type of industries. So what I do is I exclude industries here. That usually drives me the best. And for company hand count, I skip self-employed. I do 1 to 10, 11 to 50. And I'm gonna add as many as you can here. So if there's like advertising services, exclude. There's consulting, business consulting, exclude. So that will be my exclusions. And then what I would do, current job title. So what you want to do is you want to exclude consultant, and past job titles you want to exclude consultant. Anything you don't like as a title, exclude. And then what I would do is I will just do CEO. I would include, and then I will do CFO. All right. And then you can see there's 57,000. I try to get this number to 2,000 possibly. And then over here, type in the keyword you want to do. So I'm going to do SaaS. And you can see we're around the 1,500 to 1,700 mark. And then what I would do, how do I save it? And that's pretty much all you have to do to build your list. Like you do your exclusions, exclude the titles, add the hand count you want, and then exclude industries and exclude titles. And then just type in the keyword you want. So that's what I do. And this works wonders because a lot of people don't get spammed by doing it that way. All right. Thank you.